Okay. All right. So we have 10 problems and the breakdown to three different sections have different purposes. So the first one is for our basic understanding. Well, first of all, in this case, can you tell me what's the definition of triangle? Okay, in your own
Uh,
word.
Shape with three sides, three
Okay.
straight
Okay, you
lines.
said a shape, very good, with three sides. Now, is this a triangle? Well, we got three sides. Is this a triangle?
No, they have to all be connecting
Okay, so basically you'll say it's a shape of three sides that are
Oh,
connecting.
with three different points.
What's that?
With three different points.
You have three different points. Very good.
Mhm.
And you have three different angles, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so that's the basic elements of a triangle. We got 3 points. What's the name for that?
Three angles.
We have three angles for the points. There's a special name for it.
I forget.
That's called vertices. Good. Do you remember that? And each point is called the vertex. And the plural is vertices. Good.
Yep.
So you have that. Okay, very good. Now, the next one. Given the triangle ABC with vertices A, B, and C, respectively, please identify the three sides and the three interior angles. Basically, just like how do we express that? How do we write it out of the three sides and the three interior angles? Now, so let's do the three sides first. How do we write it out? We have a triangle. First, we're going to graphing it. We got A, B, and C. Now, what are the three sides?
Three sides and the three interior angles.
Yeah, but write it out. You can put on the chat or you can just tell me.
Wait. So wouldn't it just be the first side is A, B, and then C?
Well, those are the vertices, A, B, C. We got three
Oh,
sides. Three sides. Each side has have two letters.
so it's the AB and then the BC and then
Right.
the CA.
Right. Very good. And the order really doesn't matter. You could write this as BA, this is CB, and AC. Doesn't matter that much. Okay. How about the angles? How do we write the angles?
Wouldn't it be all 90%?
Well, we don't know yet because this could be any triangle.
Hmm. So the three interior, wouldn't it be AB, BC, or CA again, or no?
Well, A, B, and B, C, those are sides. Good.
Hmm.
For the angle, there is two ways of writing it. One, you just use the vertices, but put the angle symbol, angle
Hmm.
A, angle B, angle C. Good.
Hmm.
That's one way to write it. But sometimes you could have confusion here. Like here, how do you write the angle? Well, we don't know if it's this angle or this angle or this angle or this angle. If we just write angle O. So in this case, we need three letters. So for example, for this angle, angle C, then we can write as ACB. Good?
Hmm.
And put the vertex in the middle. And then we have two sides. One is CA, one is CB on the two sides for the angle. Good?
Mhm.
So that's for we write C. If you want to write A, we can write as BAC
Oh,
or
yeah.
CAB. Good? Make sense?
Mhm.
All right. Now, number 3, triangles can be classified by angles into what categories? So we're based on its interior angles, but there are three scenarios or three different cases. Oh, remember when we talk about angles, what kind of angle we have? Well, first of all, we have 90 degrees. That's what angle is that?
A right angle.
Right angle. Now, what happens if it's less than 90?
Then it's a acute and then an obtuse
Yeah,
is
acute
bigger.
angle. And if it's bigger than 90, it's obtuse. Now, because of that, we could have three different kinds of triangles based on the angle. Good?
Yeah.
So what we could have a right triangle. That means we have one interior angle that is right angle. Then we could have acute triangle. Acute triangle is that all three interior angles are acute, less than 90. And if one of them is something like this, we got acute angle there, then we call this triangle, it's not acute, obtuse triangle. Good? So based on the angles, we can put that into three different categories. Now, how about by the sides?
Mhm.
So by the sides, how do we,
Couldn't they be equilateral? Wait,
yeah,
no, they couldn't. Yeah.
equilateral, very good.
Isosceles, two sides are equal,
Isosceles,
and
right,
the scalene where all are different.
right, and the scalene, very good. Now, well, we we got three based on the side. We got three based on the angle. Acute, right, and obtuse. So normally you would expect we got altogether 9 different
Mhm.
categories, but in reality we only have 7. Why is that?
Because none of them can be they can't be two like of the same because then that'd be a square.
No, that's not the case.
Wait,
Yeah,
I don't
because we have a special triangle, equilateral. Now,
know.
equilateral triangle, can it be a right triangle?
Hmm.
Can it be a right triangle for equilateral triangle?
Yeah,
No, it cannot be a right triangle. Remember, equilateral triangle, all three sides has to be the same, right?
yeah.
Which means all three angles has to be the same.
Hmm.
Well, altogether should be 180, so each one has to be 60.
Hmm.
Good?
Good.
So that means equilateral triangle has to be a acute triangle. Good?
Hmm.
That's why I only got 7 instead of 9. So we can actually list them out based on the angles. Good?
Good.
So we could have, uh, well, we could have acute, equilateral, right?
Hmm.
and acute isosceles and acute scaling. Good. But then we cannot have right equilateral. But we have kind of right isosceles. Good.
Good.
We can have right right isosceles. Yeah, we can have right scaling. Good. Then obtuse, same thing. Obtuse, we can either have isosceles or obtuse scaling. Good. Make sense?
Yeah.
So 3 acute, 2 right, and 2 obtuse. So this is we put the angle first. We can also put the side first. If we side first, then we have equilateral, which is acute. So we don't have to say any, don't have to call it out because we know it's going to be acute. Then we could have isosceles acute, right?
Yeah.
Isosceles right, isosceles obtuse. Then we could have scalene. Scalene we have 3 kinds: acute, or right, and obtuse. So either way, we just only got 7. Good?
Good.
All right. So now let's look at number number 5. Okay, given a triangle with 3 interior angles, 40 degrees, 60 degree, and 80 degree respectively, please determine what type of triangle it is.
Would that be
Very good. Number 6, given triangle XYZ where XY equal to XZ and angle X equal to 90, please determine what type of triangle it is.
X?
Need to be more specific. You talk about the angle. We have to also talk about the side because we do have XY equal to YZ. That's not the case. Remember how we classify a triangle? It's based on angle, and side. We now have an angle, right? What kind of right triangle? Now, what you said here is true, but that's not what they're asking. Remember how we classified
Oh,
the triangle? Yes, it's a right isosceles triangle. Number 7, please list the possible 7 class-based combinations for triangles. So I just let you write it out, okay, on the chat. So that can
mhm.
help you to remember those. Yeah, I'll let you write out those 7 different type of triangles.
One more.
Well, think about it. You need both. You need the angle and the side put together. Okay. When you see a triangle, when you look at the triangle, you say you have 2 things to say. One is about their angles, and the one
Hmm.
is about their side. Good. Like
Yeah.
we can say acute
Hmm.
isosceles triangle. We got angle, we got side. Okay.
Yeah.
不行，我还在上课呢。 Hello? Hello? Hello, Grayson. You are muted.
Sorry, it glitched me out.
Okay. All right. So, yep, we're still on number 7. You can write out
Okay.
all 7 categories. So we start, when you see a triangle, you're looking at angle and the side. Good? Yeah, I'll let you write it out, okay? Very good. Okay, acute scaling, acute isosceles, and acute equilateral, and right scaling, right isosceles, obtuse scaling, and obtuse, oh, acute, oh, okay. Acute scaling,
Sorry, I
acute
forgot the
isosceles.
commas.
Very good. And right scaling, right isosceles, acute scaling, and obtuse. Very good. Okay, let's look at 8. Given triangle ABC, where A is equal to 50 and B equal to 60, please calculate C. Yeah, very good. 70. Add together 180. That's the very important property of a triangle. Number 9. In triangle ABC, extend side BC to point D, forming an exterior angle ACD. If A is 40, B is 70, please calculate the measure of the exterior angle the angle ACD. Mm, that's not the case. So basically what you got here is you got A, B, C, you got A here, and you got B here, C here. So that's triangle. And we can extend that along the BC, extend out to D. And we are trying to find the angle. This is called the exterior angle because it's outside of the triangle. So this angle is exterior angle. And this angle is called ACD. Now, what is the measure of this angle? Given that this is 40 degree and this is 70 degree. Very good. Yeah, just add those together. You got 110. Very good. Now explain why each interior angle of equilateral triangle is 60. Yeah, but why that each interior angle is 60? Yep, it's because all the angles has to be the same because we got same side. So
Yep.
all the angles are the same. And we know add together is 180. So each one has to be 60. Very good. All right. So now we're going to move on our, let me